Meeoiba khunnai hourakpham chap manarabasu eikhoina eikhoigi chana lonchat amadi phijet-chakcha chingba sing tongan khaidoknabadagi amagagi marakta khennaba leibani haina Manipur High Court Chief Justice Siddharth Mridul na phongdokkhre wafam masi Manipur Human Rights Commission sinduna North AOC da leiba Imphal Hotel da pangthokpa International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination amadi Human Rights Week kamari leinana pangthokpa debate competition ge makok mathang taraba singda manang mathum yenthokpagi thoramda mahangna phongdokhibane Manipur Human Rights Commission ki Chairperson Justice UV Saha Commission asige member Kangjam Khagendra amadi Advocate General Hizam Leninchu saruk yakiba thoram aduda Chief Guest ki warol piraduna Justice Siddharth Mridul na hai Meeoiba khunnai ase South Africa ki mafam amadagi haurakibani haibo wafam ase malemgi miyamna thajanari masigi matung tarakpada malemgi tongan mafam singda Meeoiba khunnai ase pak sana sandokkiduna ngasigi fibum asi oirakpane mafam amakhaktadagi haurakiba Meeoiba khunnai na sakcho phijet-chakcha amadi magi apamba moongda khaidok khaijin tawraga Meeoiba khunnai gi marakta kanglu furup semduna eikhoi masel tokhai tanabani khudam oina North East India gi miyam ase mainland India na chimki hairaga khangnei aduga South India gi miyam asina madrasi hairaga khangnari masi pumnamak Meeoiba ama oina tawroidaba amasong khwaidagi chawna soiba amani Amaromda Meeoiba khunnai da khwaidagi mathau tariba human rights ase hawjik fawbada mipum khudingmakta fanghanba ngamdana leiri pumnamak ase yenglaga eikoi Meeoiba khunnai na wakhal taminaduna amade tawgadaba amasong tawroidaba sing punna khangdoktuna achumba maikaida puraknaba honasi haina Justice Siddharth Mridul na makha tana phongdokhe
We must not permit anybody to take them away from us. It is the duty of every institution, including the judiciary, the executive, and the Human Rights Commission, to ensure that human rights are given their full flow. And when I say full flow, I don't mean just the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which talked about all human freedoms that every individual has. I also mean the Universal Declaration of the Rights of Indigenous Peoples. Are we ignoring them? Are we ignoring the rights of indigenous peoples? Of course we are. Do we need to address them? Of course we do. Till the time we put these issues on the agenda and are willing to communicate with each other without any preconceived notions, all possibility of peace and the pursuit of happiness become illusory. So I beseech all of you who are gathered here today, then let's celebrate our differences. Let's put aside our prejudices, whether they are racial, whether they are religious, whether they refer to our faiths, whether they refer to our habits. Let us all get together and try and make this world a better place.